In the hotel business, there are many opportunities to provide service to customers. In providing unbeatable customer service, hotels strive to excel in what is known as the 3 T's: the tasks to be done, the treatment of the customer, and tangibles such as decor, layout, and comfort of the hotel. How a hotel manages the 3 T's determines the success of their service design. Service design actually begins with identifying a target market. Hotel owners must decide to whom they will appeal. The target market combines with the service concept to reveal the type of services and amenities the hotel will provide. The Hotel Monaco Chicago, owned by San Francisco's Kimpton Group, is a boutique hotel with 7 locations in the U.S. A boutique hotel is a 75 to 200 room hotel, priced in the 4-star range, that offers highly personalized service in a unique atmosphere. Kimpton's service concept is to offer the same services and comforts of a luxury chain hotel, but with the personality and individual attention of staying at a friend's home. In Chicago, the hotel's property is in a prime location on the north end of the Loop Business District, close to shopping and theater districts, which lends them crossover appeal for both business and leisure travelers.
Here at the Hotel Monaco, 65% of our clients are business travelers. 35% of our clients are actually with group business that comes to the hotel. And I'd have to say about 35% of those guests return for pleasure trips on the weekends.
Immediately upon walking in the front door, guests notice the personality of the hotel. The lobbies are designed to feel like comfortable, intimate living rooms, and the sleeping rooms resemble a guest room in a home.
Just look around. I mean, it's colorful, it's brilliant. You know, when I think of a Monaco, I think of a myriad of colors and flowers and different personality types, and just something very cool and hip and lively and something energetic.
As in all Kimpton properties, the restaurant in the Hotel Monaco, called Mossant, is owned by Kimpton, but run by a restaurant professional. It's situated down a hall from the lobby and has a separate street entrance as well. Kimpton restaurants are not typical hotel restaurants. Many feature well-known chefs such as Wolfgang Puck and draw a regular non-hotel dining crowd. The restaurant acts as the caterer for hotel events and is a big draw for clientele. Because business travelers make up the bulk of their customer base, the Hotel Monaco provides the appropriate amenities. There are 3 meeting rooms that total 4,000 square feet. Each guest room has a 2-line phone and a fax machine. Business services are available through the front desk, and there is a full audio-visual department. The Hotel Monaco is able to provide these services without compromising the atmosphere.
Since we carry the tagline for our meetings, at the Monaco, meetings aren't a drag, and I think we stand behind that. To make them more fun, you receive a small kit in your meeting that's filled with toys and amenities, and it's, sometimes we give our customers little cartoon lunch boxes. So we make it like fun. It's definitely a blast to have a meeting here.
To differentiate themselves from other hotels, the Hotel Monaco provides unique services that entertain and accommodate the guests.
There are several unique features of the Hotel Monaco. I would have to say when the customer arrives, our most pleasurable feature is our evening wine service. Between the hours of 5:30 and 6:30 p.m. here at the Monaco Chicago, we offer our guests a unique experience of having wine, having an evening massage, or even having their handwriting analysis taken here in the hotel living room, which is very popular. Sometimes our concierge actually bring out the board games, and we have fun with the guests playing checkers, chess, Connect Four, anything that gets them revved up for the evening. It's quite energetic. In our rooms, we have meditation stations which overlook Wacker Drive and the Chicago River, which is, wow, it's amazing when you can sit in your window and just relax and take a load off for the day. Also, I would have to say our goldfish are probably, it's a star hit. Next to the wine hour, guests love having a goldfish delivered to their room. And we're pet friendly, so if you forget your pet, we'll bring one to your room. So whether it's a snake or a giraffe, if it'll fit, you can bring your pets here.
For guests, the experience begins at the front desk. At the Hotel Monaco, front desk clerks are trained down to the details of how many times to use a guest's name during his stay, how many times to let the phone ring, and when to use a guest's first name. A software called Guestware was developed by Kimpton and is used to track the clientele. Each morning, the sales and front desk team print out the day's arrivals, and Guestware alerts them to returning guests and any preferences or needs the guest may have.
Guestware is actually the most powerful tool that we have in our hotel operation today. With the Kimpton Group, we have Guestware in all of our 35 properties, and right now we're merging our Guestware databases to communicate with each other so that we can all talk about our repeat guests at each property. It allows us the opportunity to recognize our repeat guests when they come back to the hotel. It also allows us to track their preferences so that we can block the rooms that they prefer and offer them the additional services that they like and require. Capturing those business clients means that we have to exceed their expectations and deliver every time they return to a hotel. That's a very powerful function within the hotel to meet those customers' needs. That determines guest loyalty.
The concierge is vital to any hotel's success. At the Hotel Monaco, the concierge staff prepares thoroughly to provide guests with everything they need to take advantage of Chicago's potential.
Concierge, they do everything from booking restaurant reservations to getting tickets for like a symphony or a ballet, general guidelines around the city, maps, anything a guest might need and not sure of, they come to the concierge, and that's what we help them with. Just for example, I've got a couple bags of rose petals over here that I'm going to put in a room for a guest because they have a romantic endeavor going on tonight. So just little things like that.
First of all, everything is based on occupancy. If the hotel is busy, then we need to staff for that. If it's not busy, then, for example, I'd only have 2 or 3 on. Normally on a full house, I would have 14.
Room service is unique because it involves so many operations and different types of employees. Although the room service manager knows the occupancy rate, they can never be sure how many people will be ordering in.
What we do is we have 2 guys working for breakfast time and 2 guys working dinner time. And if we really get busy, we also ask for help from the front desk. And if it's really busy, like a convention or something like that, we sketch one extra guy or 1 extra girl, whatever.
The engineering department is proactive, maintaining the hotel's appearance and functionality without being obtrusive to the guests. While not working on immediate needs, the staff has ongoing projects for improvement to the property.
Our engineering staff is probably the backbone to our hotel operation, being that they manage our life safety systems here at the property. They also maintain the plumbing, the HVAC, or any mechanical equipment that's located within the building. So having engineers is a must-have in any hotel operation. You can't operate a hotel without them. Our engineers in particular, we have about 5 gentlemen who are on duty, or ladies that are on duty every day. And they work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Capacity of a hotel always affects service design. The Hotel Monaco has 192 sleeping rooms and 3 meeting rooms. Bookings are based on forecasting and previous experience, but sometimes they are caught off guard. The Hotel Monaco has a recovery strategy in place in case they overbook.
What happens here at the Hotel Monaco, we actually refer our customers to our sister properties, the Hotel Burnham and the Hotel Allegro, where we actually pay for their visit for one night, including telephone call or whatever needs they may have, so that they can contact their office or their family to let them know the relocation. And then we invite them back to our hotel and we upgrade their accommodations, and we share our deepest sympathy and apologies for the overbooking error.